Want to design a professional logo without expensive software? Figma provides powerful vector design tools that make it easy to create clean, scalable logos for businesses, brands, and personal projects. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to create logos in Figma in 2026. So let's get started. First, sign in to your Figma account and create a new design file. Then create a frame with enough space to sketch and refine your logo ideas. Using a larger canvas gives you more room to experiment with different concepts. Next, use Figma's shape tools, pen tool, and vector editing features to create the foundation of your logo. Combine circles, rectangles, polygons, or custom paths to build your design. Starting with simple shapes often leads to the cleanest logo designs. Now add your brand name or initials using the text tool. Choose a font that matches your brand's personality, then adjust the size, spacing, alignment, and weight until everything looks balanced. Great typography can be just as important as the logo icon itself. Choose colors that represent your brand and apply them consistently throughout the logo. Refine the shapes, spacing, and proportions until the design feels clean and balanced. Take a moment to zoom in and make small adjustments that improve the overall appearance. Before exporting, preview your logo at different sizes and on both light and dark backgrounds. This helps ensure it stays clear and recognizable in different situations. A strong logo should still look good even when it's displayed at a much smaller size. Finally, open the export section and choose a format such as SVG for scalable graphics or PNG for sharing online. Then save your logo to your computer. So you've successfully created a logo in Figma. And that's how to create logos in Figma. By combining vector shapes, typography, thoughtful colors, and careful spacing, you can design professional logos that work across websites, social media, business cards, and more. The more logo concepts you create and refine, the stronger your design skills will become. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.